The day starts at 7:30 a.m., preparing the site to open and completing pre-opening checks throughout the mechanical room, wash bay, and property. The opening process wraps up with a test car being run through the wash. Then, once 8 o'clock hits, they are prepping vehicles and knocking out tasks during any downtime, like keeping the lot clean, small cleaning tasks within the car wash, maybe even preventative maintenance or small repairs depending on ability level. When supporting team members arrive, we're prepping vehicles together, emptying trash cans, checking vacuum nozzles, and inspecting the tunnel on a regular basis. At 2 o'clock shift change, I'm making sure to turn over the site to my afternoon counterparts with any details from the morning and a final lot check before the afternoon shift begins. At close, we begin a thorough cleaning of the site, including the pit, where all the dirt and grime we wash off the cars go. The closing process includes another thorough inspection of the whole property and car wash, making sure it's ready for the following day's business.